You're trying to chase me. It's just like, stop, man. No! Stupid crab. What? Why have you been firing stuff at me? Oh, I know what it is. What? I can't believe that just happened to me. Just having a calm stroll on the beach and look what happens. I get stuck in the grass. Attacked by crabs. It's just not a good life. Strawhead crabs. La, 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 la. 2 minutes 26.